Hello and welcome back to another episode of Project Bumble. Today we're going to be taking this outer sill and we're going to fit it on the car. Last time I was in the garage I got this jacking point fitted and I got some holes drilled in the new outer sill. Everything's all ready. Got the rear panel in there. Got the front flitch repair done last time. So all that's left to do, you're going to get your sill panel. Let's try and do this one-handed. So you want to get your sill panel, slot it in at the back, line it up with the jacking point like that, and then we're going to clamp that in. We're going to use some tech screws to hold it all in place, and then we're going to start welding. Alright, so if you haven't used these before, these are tech screws. They're basically like a self-tapping screw with a rubber backed washer, and they drill their own holes so you don't have to pre-drill them. You don't have to center punch, that I haven't found, and you literally just put it on the place where you want the hole and just there you go. And that obviously cinches the two bits of metal together, and then you can take one out individually, plug weld that hole, and then off you go. So if you're doing this job, well worth buying. I think I got a pack of 100. I think that was only about 5. It's certainly less than £10. So I'm going to take them out again, so I'll be able to reuse them whatever I want. So yeah. Next step, we're going to clean off a little bit of the metal underneath, ready for welding, and then we'll just start welding it on. Easy. The outer sill all nicely welded on. Now what I'm going to do, which I did on the other side, was I'm never going to use this this jacking point. I don't have a jack that goes in it, so I'm just going to blank it off, same as I did on the other side. Weld that in there. It's just another thing sealed up. Yeah, pretty happy with how that's gone. Looks pretty nice. Lovely. What do we think then, boys? much, much, much better. Lovely. So once that's dry, I'll seam seal and then get some paint on it, get some stone chip on there. And that's the whole floor done. Almost forgot. Yes.